What's going on guys, Ankush Mittal here. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how you can make up to $300 per day with Instagram if you have 0 followers or whatever it is, whether you are broke, beginner, it does not really matter. Okay, if you are new to the channel and you are in the niche of making money online and entrepreneurship related and business related niche, then you should go below and hit the subscribe button now, because after you subscribe you can also comment like I have subscribed or thank or hi, so that I can really welcome you to the channel. So now without being delayed, what's the method over here to build a killing with the Instagram? $300, that means you want to make over 10k per month. Okay, 10k per month. Literally guys, if you are going to follow all these steps which I am going to teach you in this video, you are going to make over much more than this money. Okay, much more than this money. So guys, what's the method over here? It's a 4-step process. The first step is literally after this I'm also going to tell you how you can monetize them and make over $50,000 just from in the second month of yours. Okay, so be sure to watch till the end to find answers to these questions. The first thing is follow. Okay, follow. What you need to do, just go and follow up to 50 guys per hour. 50 guys per hour. Okay, literally you will see that 30% are gonna do follow you back. If you are going to follow 50 people per hour, just do this, and in the 1 month you can follow about 15k. You can do more, but I'm just taking example. If you are going to do 15k, that means about 10 times every single day. It is not gonna to take you a bit longer, because it just take a minute. You just need to follow one by one. Literally you can see here is one follow button, here is another follow button. You just need to scroll down and just keep on tap follow. That's it guys, it's a work of 1 minute. Okay, so if you're going to follow 15,000 people in a 1 month, then absolutely 30% will follow you back. That means 5k, at least 5k you have made from here followers. The second method, the second trick, the second step is this: just go and like, comment other posts. The guys who are your followers, just go and like their posts. Literally you do not need to leave a scam comment like awesome or cool, whatever. Like, just leave a 2-3 sentence comment, so that it should feel like this guy is really crazy, it is commenting me, we should go and follow this guy, because they want to follow the active guys, not the guys who are just keep on letting their accounts close. Okay, you need to interact with them. Okay, so if you are gonna do this, you are gonna get 30 plus followers every single day from this only. Okay, that means you can get about 1,000 followers from this trick as well. Okay, so this is very easy step. You just need to like, you just need to scroll down and click on the double tap. If you find something interesting, comment over there. Okay, if you are going to do 100 comments, you are going to get a lot more followers than this. Literally guys, this is the first month of your Instagram. You have to put 30 days hard work and smart work. After that you can just go to anywhere. You will be making money while traveling, speaking, or sleeping, or whatever it is. Okay, so the third step is to post at least, this is the process that I'm going to show you. Just follow this: 1 to 2 posts in a day. Okay, 1 to 2 posts per day. Okay, and 5 to 30 Instagram stories per day. You are gonna say this is a lot, but you have to do 5 to 30, because they are going to get a lots and lots of followers. They can easily get you about 100 followers every single day. 100 followers, that means about 3k followers in a month from this trick as well. This is you have to just do it for 1 month, because it's really going to attract a lot of guys. Stories, you just need to select some images, and Instagram they are automatically built in the kind of video form, and video really does better on the Instagram. Just use hashtags and stuff like that. Use the popular hashtag what your competitors are using, and that's it guys. You do not need to do anything else. You just have to give about 2 hours to the whole Instagram. That's it guys. And the fourth step, this is the killer price. But before we move to the fourth step, let me show you. 5k you made from the number 1 trick, and the 1k you made from the second trick, and 3k you made from the last one. So you have made 9k followers. 9k, that means almost 2k 10k, because if you are having, after you are having 2k followers, okay, after you are having 2k followers or 4k followers, your account will start getting more, twice followers. For example, when it was getting 100 followers a day, it will start getting 200 followers. That's the power of the Instagram. So we are literally gonna get 10k followers. Okay, and let's say now it's time to monetize it a little. So you are having 10k followers, and if you are going to promote a $500 product for, okay, because high ticket product really work better because they are of high quality and you need to provide good quality, and only 20 are gonna do buy. That means 0.2%. This is bare minimum, guys. Anyone can get this. Even you have built it with a lot of engagement, you are absolutely gonna get this. So you are making over 10k per month within your first month. That's the power of Instagram, guys. That's the power. And now I'm gonna to show you how you can literally build a killer following to 50k. This is the fourth step to 50k. If you are still here, you are watching this video, then boom, you are making a lot of money than everyone other on the Instagram. What you can do, you are having 10k followers. Okay, you reach out to those guys who are in let's say you are in the make money online niche. Reach out to those guys who are having about 10k followers, 5k followers, or 12k followers. I'll suggest you to go over 10k, like 15k, something like that. They are gonna to agree just for share. That means they are gonna to share your post, okay, and they are gonna to share your post, and in the post they are gonna to write something like follow you, or you are at the rate your username. They will add the something like this, and what you will do, you are gonna share your post, means you are gonna to share a post in which you are gonna to promoting them. So literally it's 30% will absolutely gonna to come back to you. 30% of those guys of your competitor which is promoting you is gonna to come back to you as well. So you will be having over 3k if you are gonna to reach out to those only and only about 3. That means you are within a month you will be having let's say you are only getting about 15 to client, you are reaching to only 15 guys. You have made 45,000 from here and 10k of previously. Okay, 10k of previous. That means you have built a massive following of over 50k. And if you are going to promote this much amount, this much to all these guys, okay, and now you can go to guys who are having 50k followers, reach out to them and tell them promote, and you are gonna to promote them. So you are getting 15,000 followers from every guy who is promoting you. So you can see how powerful is this, guys, how powerful. And now if you are going to sell a product of $500, you are going to get 0.2% conversion. What will be the result? You are going to make over $50,000. That means over 100 sales. You are going to make 50k within second month from scratch. That's the power. You need to do the things right. Just start taking action. And if you like this video, smash the like button this time and subscribe to the channel, selecting the bell icon. Okay, and that's all from my side. If you like this video, comment us down what do you, if you do not like, let me know what didn't you like. I'm going to change it. Okay, and at last, thanks for watching.